Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to our second exercise on the Haraka, the Dhamma, also known as the Pesh. In the last video, we did the first exercise, which was our Arabic alphabet from here up until this point. And in this exercise, we will be covering the Arabic alphabet again. However, the letters are in no specific order. And we will be starting from this point up until that point, inshallah. So let us begin. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ba, Dhamma, Bu. Ta, Dhamma, Tu. Tha, Dhamma, Thu. Ha, Dhamma, Khu. Kho, Dhamma, Khu. Ra, Dhamma, Ru. Za, Dhamma, Zu. Fa, Dhamma, Fu. Ha, Dhamma, Hu. Ya, Dhamma, You. To, Dhamma, Tu. Tho, Dhamma, Thu. Dal, Dhamma, Du. Dal, Dhamma, Thu. Mim, Dhamma, Mu. Waw, Dhamma, Wu. Kaf, Dhamma, Ku. Lam, Dhamma, Lu. Alif, Dhamma, U. Jim, Dhamma, Ju. Noon, Dhamma, Nu. Qaf, Dhamma, Ku. Ain, Dhamma, U. Ghain, Dhamma, Ghu. Sin, Dhamma, Su. Shin, Dhamma, Shu. Sad, Dhamma, Su. Dad, Dhamma, Dhu. Well done on completing these 3 lines. Let us go through it again without sounding it out this time. Bu, Tu, Thu, Khu, Khu, Ru, Zu, Fu, Hu, You, Tu, Thu, Du, Dhu, Mu, Wu, Ku, Lu, U, Ju, Nu, Ku, U, Hu, Su, Shu, Su, Dhu. Alhamdulillah, and well done on completing our second exercise on the Dhamma. In our next video, we will be covering this page over here, inshallah, which gives us 3 joined letters in a word. And we'll be doing that in the next lesson, inshallah, for some more practice. Please remember to give this video a like if you found it helpful, and also share it amongst others so that they can benefit as well, inshallah. I look forward to having you with me in the next video, inshallah. Love and salams.